Hello, my name is John Disan and welcome back to this class, YouTube Affiliate Marketing Made Easy. 3 simple steps to succeed on YouTube. Okay, so like I've said in this part of our class, we're going to find products that we can actually promote and we can get them for free, since in the previous video I'm discussing to you that we're going to create review videos for YouTube, and as promised, these are less competitive, okay, because it's a launching product and there are tons of people looking for product reviews. That's why we will be creating product reviews. Okay, so before we can create product reviews, we also need products, okay, and the thing is we're going also to promote them. So first thing first is we're going to find a product here, okay, which is launching, and at the same time I'm going to show you how to ask these products for free so we can review it. Okay, so I'm also going to give you some tips here, okay, what products are easily converting. Okay, so I am here at muncheye.com, and if you're not familiar with Muncheye, Muncheye is a place where you can find tons of launching products. Okay, this is a famous launch board, okay, and there are also alternatives to this one, but for me this is the best thing because there are tons of people promoting it here. Okay, and these people are actually posting it here because there are also tons of affiliate marketers who are looking for products to promote new launching products. Okay, but the best thing here is there are less competitive, okay, because these are just launching products. Okay, so to start off, there are 2 launches here, big launches and all launches. So big launches are from reputable vendors, okay. They have successful launches in the previous, that's why there are placed here in the big launches, okay. And all launches are mixed with regular launches and big launches, okay. So the products we're going to find are products from between $7 to $17. Okay, like this one, $7. These products, okay. Why $7? Because this can easily convert. It's not threatening price. It's not a threatening price. People can easily buy it for $7. Plus, they are guaranteed for a 30-day money back guarantee, which is really awesome. Okay, if they're not satisfied. So you can find tons of products here, like this one from Lim Ray Breakfast in Bed, $7 at 100% commissions. Okay, so these people are earning in their funnel. Okay, that's why they are giving their front end. So these are their front end, $7, but still you can earn at the funnel because once you sign up, okay, you will be signed up to the whole funnel. That's why this is really cool. And we have also here Traffic Titan, and by the way, you can see here which platform they are launching it. So if it's JVZ, it's from JVZoo. Okay, you can also click that one. You can see that there are named JVZoo. This one is from Warrior Plus. This one is from Infusionsoft. There are also ClickBank products here. Okay, Samcart, and this one is I'm pretty sure you're familiar. It's from ClickBank, and by the way, that's how you can see which platform they are launching it, and make sure you have an account from that platform because you cannot actually join this without joining that platform. Let's say if JVZoo, they're launching from JVZoo, you need to have an account from JVZoo. If it is from Warrior Plus, you need to have an account for Warrior Plus, and so on. Okay, so this is a really cool place, and beside it is the date where they are launching. So basically this is for 2016. Okay, all here are dated for 2016. Okay, so this is from December 5, Jamie Lewis. Okay, $17 ultimate banner plugin, which is really cool. Breakfast in Bed, embed $7 at 100%. So let's try to click this one. By the way, when you promote products, make sure it's beyond the date you are in. So let's say if this is December 5, make sure you're promoting products from December 8, 10. Okay, so you will be prepared because you need to create the videos. Okay, you need to upload it. That's why make sure it is beyond the date you are in. Okay, so for this one, okay, this is the JB page which is not yet introduced. Okay, let's try to find another one. Let's try to find products that are $7 to $17. But anyway, if you can easily promote products, if you have already a list, you can actually promote that. Okay, let's try to click this one. Okay, JB page, make sure they have a JB page so you'll get the information of what it contains. Okay, they're also writing it here. So the best thing about JB pages is that it gives you all the information you need about the product and the funnel on how much you can earn. Let's say in the front end, you can earn from $7 to $12 at 100%. And the funnel, the one-time offer is $17. And if that product, the owner doesn't buy, he'll go to the downsell, $12. So you can probably earn around $60 here if he goes to the whole funnel. Okay, so if you can win an affiliate contest, you can win $500 and so on. And these are some top affiliates who are actually promoting this one. So once you have that, you can actually contact them. Okay, you can say that you are promoting their product through YouTube by giving a review. Okay, so they are also saying here review copy. If you have 50 plus sales as an affiliate on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, feel free to contact me if you need review access, custom bonuses, custom anything else to make your promo even more successful. So you can actually contact them. Okay, even though you don't have any 50 sales, you can contact them. Okay, make sure you are legit. Just introduce yourself. Okay, respectfully, respect them, whatever decision. So if they won't allow you, just get another product for you to review, and that's it. Okay, so once you have chosen your product, all you have to do is get the affiliate link, get the review product, and review it. Okay, and make sure to prepare it. Okay, because in the next video I'm going to share with you how to create these videos, the keywords that you actually need, and the actual, okay, the links, okay, backlinks, where you can get a lot of backlinks, because these are really useful when you create these videos. So see you in the next video. Bye.